session. For today, I'm looking for buys only. So this is my invalidation line. Since we haven't invalidated the buyers, I'm still looking for buys. So that's on the daily. Then on the hour, we've come into this sort of supply zone, and also we filled in this fair value gap right there. So we're sort of in this order block area. So if I just draw here, I'll call it a supply zone, demand zone, sorry. So you can just draw it out here. So we are reacting to that right now. So that's a good sign that we could eventually push up, fill in these imbalances, and eventually target all the way to the upside, which is the daily target anyway. So on the 15th, we have news today at 10 o'clock. So for New York session, I'm going to wait for the news to happen, and then between 10 to 11, if anything forms, I'll take it. But that's only a 1 hour gap. And there's also FOMC news, I believe, at 2, 10, and at 2, there's FOMC news. So if I'm in a trade between 10 and 2, I'll remove it at like 150, I'll remove the trade. Then that's New York session. In London session, what I'm looking for is classic Asian low right there. Come down, sweep the Asian low, maybe even sweep these equal lows right there, and then get an entry model and enter right there, targeting the upside. And also we're below the midnight opening price. That's all well and good. So that is the forecast and outlook for today. Let's see what happens, and I'll keep you guys updated.